Whether it's your home away from home, your boat, or any other piece of property assessed by the County of San Diego, there's a way for you to appeal the value of the assessment. It's called the assessment appeals process.
Hello, I'm Thomas Pastuska, Clerk of the Board of Supervisors and the Assessment Appeals Boards. If you own property in San Diego County, single-family residence, income property, commercial, industrial property, maybe a boat or airplane, this video may be real important to you. This video is about the assessment appeals process, a process by which you, as a property owner, can appeal the assessed or taxable value of your property.
The County of San Diego's Assessor's Office will mail you your notification of assessment. This will come to you either as a regular assessment or as a supplemental assessment. Either way, if you disagree with the assessed value of your property, you do have options to appeal it. You should know ahead of time that there is only so much you can expect to be subtracted from your assessed value.
Generally speaking, under Prop 13, your property tax value can only go up under two conditions. One, new construction, or two, a change of ownership. Now, in addition to that, there's an index that changes the property tax value from year to year. That index is capped at 2%. For example, if the index, and it's California Consumer Price Index, if it goes up more than 2%, it would be capped at 2. If it goes down, we'll use that. For example, in 2011, the index went up year over year 0.753. So that year we were limited to an increase of 0.753.
The first thing you should do is contact the County of San Diego Assessor's Office to discuss your new assessed value. The staff in the Assessor's Office will be able to explain the new assessment more clearly to you. If you and the Assessor's Office come to an agreement on the value of your property, then come to the County Administration Center at 1600 Pacific Highway downtown to sign a stipulation agreement. If you and the Assessor's Office agree to disagree on the assessed value of your property, an assessment appeal hearing is the next step.
The assessment appeals form is a single page and it's very easy to access on our website. Now, if you want to file an appeal, it costs nothing. But what it does, it establishes your right to get into the process to have your case heard in front of the appeals board. I'd encourage you, if you have a question, call our office.
Your first assignment is to do your homework, literally. Look at the renovations or changes you may have made to your home. Look into documentation about your home and into recent sales in your neighborhood.
One of the ways to appeal a value is to what's called comparable sales. Now, a lot of people refer to these as comps, but a good source for comps is your realtor, or you can go to our website, and we have them right on our website. We'll give you comparable sales to your particular property. Now, it's important when you're getting comparable sales that you get something that is not only the same improvements as your property, but also in the same geographic area, because values will be shifted by the determination of the location of your property as well as what the improvements are. I'd suggest that you get into those and get as many as you can, at least 3 comparable sales, to get you a real good appealable value.
Some things to keep in mind as you go through the assessment appeals process. First of all, if you have questions about how to complete the application form or questions about the appeals process in general, staff at the Clerk of the Board's office can help. As mentioned, look for documents about your property, anything that might help in making your case before the Assessment Appeals Board. Do some research about recent sales in your neighborhood. Make 5 copies of every document you use. You'll need to distribute these copies at the hearing. And keep in mind, there are also private companies out there that'll handle your appeal for you. Use the booklet provided by the Clerk of the Board's office to guide you through the assessment appeals process. Most of the information you need is also available by visiting the County of San Diego's website. Your case will go before the Assessment Appeals Board, a 3-member panel appointed by the Board of Supervisors, to act as an independent panel to resolve disputes over property assessments. The board members are CPAs, attorneys, licensed real estate brokers, or certified real estate appraisers. Their job? To listen to both sides and render a decision on your appeal. Here's a review of important dates to keep in mind. The regular filing period is July 2nd through November 30th. For supplemental or escape appeals, your appeal needs to be submitted within 60 days from the mailing of your new assessment notice from the County of San Diego. If a final filing date falls on a Saturday, Sunday, or a legal holiday, an application that is mailed and postmarked on the next business day shall be deemed to have been filed timely. If you have questions regarding the assessment appeals process, jot down the following phone numbers. The county's assessor's office is the first place you should start for information and questions on your property assessment notice. The clerk of the Board of Supervisors office can help you with the forms and any other information you may have relating to the appeal process.